The WeBoost on top of the roof here. I'll go through it real quick. This is a built-in, let's do the other. This is a built-in, oh, there he is. I can barely see, the sun's so bright. Built-in mounting points in the Ford Transit. I removed the sticky cover, drilled through the threads of the nut that is permanently affixed in there. Excuse me. Ran my WeBoost inside cable up, going to the antenna. This is a plastic marine mount antenna, all stainless steel hardware, and my WeBoost is now, I had to drill that out. There's a hole over here for the antenna wire to come out. Drill this out for that to fit. I have now Gorilla Glued that in. That'll be drying for a while. I'm going to use a shrink wrap over the joint, and then this cable loom over the rest of it, just to protect it from the sun. And this will allow water to escape, of course, since it's perforated. What I'll probably do is glue up under the edge of the solar panel, down to the ground, in through cable gland. And I'm going to use the little sticky feet with some additional VHB, because this stock stuff probably sucks. And let me go through real quick. You can see how I mounted it to the end of the 80-20 railing. It's the 80-20 right angles. All I did was put one on the bottom, one on the side, use the stock hole with the beveled screws, stainless steel, and drilled a hole on that side to reach the other foot. So let me get a little further along and I'll update. Okay, so I got the gland down, got my die core on it, got my cord run. I'm going to adjust as necessary. I'll shrink wrap the, shrink the joint there. The antenna has been glued in. I used the clear Gorilla Glue. That's activated by water. Got it standing up till it cures. And filled the other gland with a stainless steel screw, the other entrance to the gland. And I will use the feet to lock the cable down to the roof. Other than that, I think I'm about done. I'll show the rest of the install, the inside, running the cable, powering it up, etc. Not a whole lot different than that last bit of film. Going through the gland. That'll be my travel position. Got the cord sheathed and zip tied down to the roof line. I actually had an excuse to clean spots on the roof, huh? And of course let me adjust this real quick. We'll show it standing. I can lock it down like that. And that's the standing position. But I will keep it in the travel orientation right there. And when I need to raise it, it is a tall van. I'll drop down. It's a tall van. I haven't done it yet, I think I can hop up on that back tire, grab a solar panel, and operate the lever that way. That will not be filmed. I'll follow on to this when I finish up wiring inside. Alright, finished up the WeBoost on the roof. I'm coming through. I gotta fix that grommet. When it gets warmer, it'll go in easy. I'm running along the ridge. Here's the back door for orientation. coming in through the last rib, running along my cabinet. Piece of wood. I got to tuck that wire up under the runner, going down into one of the pillars, coming out down at the bottom, black wire in the background. Same run as my solar panel cables. Down through the bottom, rolled up in the back there, and up to the WeBoost. Still has the sticker on it. I think we can pull that. Yeah. WeBoost. Then I just have my antenna sitting up here so I can move it around whenever I care to. But that completes the WeBoost install. I have full signal here at the house, so I can't really test it, but I will do so on the road.